Here's a beam to the future. What is self-blood draw technology? Well, Tasso Inc. provides a patient-centric, decentralized blood collection solution for population studying enhanced data densities and fidelity while reducing trial subjects and improving study adherence. Their Tasso devices enable virtually painless at-home blood collection integrated with flexible global logistics, bioanalytical workflows, and regulatory compliance. Tasso's approach supports high-quality sample analysis for diverse investigational compounds and facilities successful PopPK implementations with end-to-end support, adaptable study designs, and partnerships for comprehensive clinical trial execution. Now, I did watch someone actually use one of these. They take it out of the package, they stick it to their arm, they press that little button. It's rather painless, they say, a mild prick, and wait 5 minutes, and it's done.